Yo, what's up, my people? Big G right there. You all know how we do it. If you've not liked and subscribed, I want you to hit that like button right now. I mean, right now. Hit the like button, subscribe. You can share around, okay? So you can receive more and more ways to kill these bookies. If you've not watched our previous video, you go watch it now for beginners. You learn how to trade this forex market. So right now we have our synthetics ready, and I'm about to show you real way I kill these bookies every fucking day, every fucking time. So let's head up to the chart so I can show you how we do this. All right, so right here we have our volatility 10 index. So right now you can see the market, and our indicator is already showing us something huge here. So our indicators have crossed. This is a real cross, as you can see. This is a real cross. So how do we trade with this? How do we trade with this magic cross? This golden circle, we call it the golden circle. You can see that cross right there. How do we trade with it? How do we know this is a market? How do we know that this market is going to play out safely? All right, now this is the blue one is the 5 MA, and the red one is the 300 MA. So whenever the 300 MA cuts the 5 MA from below, that is a sell, and whenever it cuts it from the top, that is a buy. You can see what I mean from here. Once it crosses from below, something like this, it crosses from below, is a sell, a short sell for scalping, and when it crosses from below again, it's a short sell. But when it crosses from the top, that is a buy. So right now we have this trade now, but this trade has been here all this while. It's been here all this time, so it's not something new. People have been doing it. And also, so how do we trade this? This is a golden circle. Now we are sure that there might be a sell, but how do we confirm before we go into trade if it is not going to catch us or not? So you go down to your nearest chart, which is a 15 minutes, and you can see that there is a downtrend here. There is a downtrend here. You can watch it. Then move over to the 30, and from the 30 is an uptrend. But now we are watching this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this? This is strong pullbacks. Strong pullbacks. Meaning that we are going to have a very short time sale. A very short time sale. Now we head back to the market without some info, since the market is crossing and is a scalping trade, so we won't waste much time. We'll just go over. I love playing 50. I love playing 50 on this, and also I love playing 1 too, because it's a scalp and I'm leaving the market not long and I'm leaving the market not long and I'm leaving the market just 5. Just 5. So we're having this. So whereas as this is on, and we're killing these bookies, what we do next is we set our stop loss. So right now I'm setting my stop loss on the nearest high being the 729.056, and I'm taking my SL to the nearest low. So I'm having this is the last candle, so I can't use this last candle. So let's be that we are using our second TP will be 6723.254, where our first TP will be 6725.104. Mind you, this is a live trade. I'm not deceiving you, or I'm not doing anything. This is a live account. This is a live trade. So right now we head on to our trades, and we'll be hitting these two. We'll take 2 on the first stop loss and 3 on the second stop loss. So let's go. So we have our stop loss. First one is 6729.056, and following the first TP, I think 6723.254. We modify that. Then this modify this, and we have 6729.056, and also 6723.254 modify there. That's good. So right now we have these two. You should know, if you've not watched my video about how to trade the FX market, I think you should watch that video so that you will learn to always set your stop loss. It is very important. It is very important. The only way to succeed in the forex market is by using your stop loss. When the markets go down, it cuts you loss. It cuts you a lot, because most times when the market reverses, it reverses so down that shit takes someone off. So you want to be safe, you want to play safe, you want to be right there in the market even when you cut your losses, and you still want to be there and all this shit, you know. And mind you, after setting your stop loss, that's not just the end. You also have to remember, wow, TP has been hit. Shit, while I'm fucking sitting it, TP has fucking been hit. TP has fucking been hit. Shit. TP has fucking been hit. Our first TP has been hit. Shit. Our first TP has been hit, so we're fucking waiting for the second one. We have two here, and we're fucking waiting. Fucking waiting. I'm telling you guys, right now, you have to adjust your SL once again so that you don't get stopped out from the market. So what do? Move our SL right down below our entry point, which is 6726.839. That is just how we do it, so that when the market goes on reverse, we don't get blown out. Rather, we just cut our losses while waiting for our TP to be hit, or once the market reverses, no loss, just little profit, and we leave the market. As you can see, the market is moving. Don't make the mistake of shifting your SL because you are saying the market is moving very fast. You want to shift your SL so that you can earn more profit. Nah. Don't do that. Just follow the last low. That is where your trade should be. You can see this. I choose head, and I also did that from the other side, so you can see it's been hit. Now we're waiting for the last one so that we can leave this market. Like I said, adjust your SL to entry point, which is 676 points. We're just waiting for two trades to do this. You just have to play safe. That is just it. The forex market is always there for you. It's not going. You can trade today, you can trade tomorrow, you can trade for the rest of your life. So you have to make it slow and steady. You get that, bookies? Slow and steady. Slow and steady. That is how we kill it off here. I know most of you be worried. You say, fuck, the profits are too low. The profit is fucking so low. Yeah, that's how I trade. I don't make I use lot size more than this, but I know it's something I do. That was how I got trained. That was how I raised myself. That was how I did my stuff, and that is how I played my own safe and whatever. So I don't see it as little money, cause out of this I've cashed out more than 10,000 to 15,000 out of the forex market. So I love it. I love playing low. I love it doing it that way. It minimizes my loss, and I'm not afraid of the market because my lot size are pretty low, not that bad. So I love it that way. It builds you. It builds you. Remember, I told you we are just waiting for a short time sale. This is magic. Okay, right now, for those that did not get how to set this moving average, I will show you how to set this moving average. It's very simple. I'm not the one that created this strategy. It's been there. So right now we have our first moving average. We have period 5, method simple, apply to close, style 3 pegs, or use any color you want. We're not having any levels right there. And the second moving average here, we have period 300, method simple, apply to close, strike trade break zone, to send color you want, no levels. You get that? So right there you should have, oh yeah, oh man, our TP3 has been hit. Very good. We made 14 dollars here with all TPs being hit. This is how we kill this book. If we don't close our trades, we hit TPs and we also hit SLs. Don't get me wrong, we hit TPs always. But you know, so as you can see, the market is going to have a reversal here. I'm not saying it's what's gonna happen, so but I just feel it's likely because we're having strong supports here. So I feel is what's gonna happen, and um likewise this you can see this is support and resistance here. This is a support and it's a resistance to this too. Is a support here and is a resistance here. So all of that, but that is not what we're here for. What I'm here for to show you is this good strategy I've been using consistently. This is strategy I've been using consistently. You can check out how this stuff plays out. Check out how this stuff plays out. All right, guys, I close this video here. This was a wonderful live trading, and from my trade you have seen how I do this. I can tell you that if you just use just this strategy, use it for a month, it will change your trading life. Use a good lot size, risk management, put your stop loss and SL, always break even. Once your profit is there, it has moved at least good pips, you adjust your SL down to your entry so that once there is a reversal, you don't get hit out. And after the hit out, or once there's a reversal, you can still make an entry because you aren't on loss. So you can still make an entry if you feel that that market is still having a good move. Like guys, I told you, that's a reversal. So we'll close this trade from here. I love you guys. So all you have to do for me now is just subscribe, like this video, follow my YouTube channels, and make sure you are in my Telegram group because I drop signals there daily. I drop signals there, and you know, if you don't have time to access these chats, we are always there to help you. If you have questions, we are always there. So guys, I will see you guys on the next video. I'm making more videos on how to trade this book.